Welcome to Techno Gadgets.
In this video, I will show top best exerciser machine is offered in a wide variety with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up the top best exerciser machine from a trustworthy brand set to assist you in making a decision after extensive investigation. I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Prevention Motorized Dual Hand and Foot Recovery Exerciser. 2 motors can turn positions and feed at 12 set levels of revolutions per minute. 80 RPM max speed. Can be used to stimulate the hands and feet at the same time or individually. 5 15-minute program options turn the cranks at set speeds and alternate the direction of the turns. Consoles track levels, time, count, RPMs, and allow for up to a 30-minute time goal. Telescoping hand grip section can be angled and extended to accommodate different sitting position or standing. While standing, only the hand cranks can be used. Included components: dual exerciser, tools, manual. Number 2. Vaunn Medical Folding Pedal Exerciser with electronic display for legs and arms workout. New model with wider base and heavy-duty frame for increased stability and support during cycle. Designed with a lower height to better fit under desks and tables. Combine your favorite activities with your workout routine. Place your pedal under your desk while you work. Play an online game, read a book, watch a movie, or chat with a friend while doing your workout. Exercise can be enjoyable. Note, not for strenuous exercise or workout. Helps tone muscles, improves blood circulation, and strengthens your shoulders, arms, and legs. Adjustable tension knob to control the level of resistance and workout intensity. Under the desk bike, the pedal exerciser folds instantly. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store or bring on the go. The product is fully assembled. Number 3. Drive Medical RTL 10273 Deluxe Folding Pedal Exerciser with electronic display. Under desk bike pedal exerciser, the exercise peddler provides excellent low-impact exercise which is perfect for strengthening and toning both arms and legs. The unit helps improve circulation by stimulating the muscles. 5-function display desk bike indicates exercise time, revolution count, revolutions per minute, and calories burned. Also includes scan feature for all values. Adjustable resistance exercise peddler. The tension knob can be easily adjusted, which allows you to set your own resistance, making this a great option for all. Non-slipping pads. 4 anti-slip rubber pads prevent sliding and protect the floor by keeping the exercise peddler firmly in place. Number 4. YSSOA Folding Pedal Exercise Bike. Under desk bike pedal exerciser. Folding and portable. The folding pedal exerciser with compact in size and lightweight in design is easy to store as it would not occupy much space. Can be used on a tabletop or the floor. Fully assembled. No tools required. Great for getting in a cardio workout while you dig into office projects. Safety and stability with lower height. The wider basement and heavy steel structure enhance stability and support during exercise. Lower height design suit for under desk storage. Arm and leg exercise. Minibike pedal exerciser is used for arms and legs cycling exercise at the office or home to tone muscle sleeve tension. Resistance adjustable. Personalize the resistance level and workout intensity by adjusting the tension the end knob. Have a more rounded workout. Suitable for all level of fitness, placing less stress on the body and potentially reducing the risk of injury. Also helpful to increase muscle strength. Multifunctional LCD display. The electronic display shows your exercise time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to fund the product links.